Guys, I am JamJamYT. So I'm going to make a YouTube channel about Sprunkies. I'm I am I am Autumn from Sprunky, and my little brother is Ray from Sprunky. My friend Dwayne or Wayne Zabar is Sky from Sprunky. He's one of the most youngest one so far. That's my little brother.
Hi, I'm Gray.
Yes, I know. So Autumn is an alien. Yes, he's an alien. Oren is an alien that has headsets on. He makes very loud sounds with his mouth. Ray only hums. Like he only does this sound. Not loud. Okay, next. Sky. I don't know what the instrument called, bro. Yeah, I don't know what's the instrument called. So that's that's the Sprunky characters I know. So I played Sprunky. Yeah, like literally. In Dwayne's house, I've played Sprunky. I not Sprunky. Sprunked and Sprinkle. I have played that like literally, guys. So this how you play Sprunky. Sprunky.org. That's how you play it. So please watch this video and subscribe. I want to get 1,000,000 subscribers. That's my dream. So please subscribe, bro. Okay, bye bye, guys. So please subscribe and like. My favorite YouTuber is Kalos. Yeah, he has 17 million. I want to also have that many subscribers. So please subscribe and peace, guys.